Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can share an effect from Instagram app with someone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So friends, Instagram effects is a very good and effective method. Add zest to your photos or somehow edit them nicely. And let's say you found some very beautiful effect, you've saved it for yourself, and would like to share such an effect, for example, his girlfriend or with his mother, or throw in some general chat, or this very funny effect. It's really very easy to do. First of all, friends, you can go straight to Instagram in your conversations and select the person or the group that you would like to share this effect with. This will help you, so to speak, not to get confused with whom you would like to share with. So, open that correspondence. Next, right here where the message bar is, click on the photo sign. Now, let's say you like one of your effects. Your effects, friends, you can see on the left-hand side of all the effects that you have. Those are the effects that you've added. And let's say you like one of them. In order to send it, you will need to click on the name of that effect at the bottom, in the middle. After that, find the send option. And now mark the person you would like to send it to. And as you can see, you can send it to more than one person. You can send it to several people at once, let's say. And then click send. And now friends, you can go back out and see that this effect has been sent to a person. And now he can go into that effect, that is, click on it, open it. And to add it, he's going to have to click on this checkbox right here. So friends, you'll be able to create collaborative, such very interesting photos with the same Instagram effects. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put a like, write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.